One little blue fish swimming in the water. One little blue fish swimming in the water. One little blue fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Two red fish. Two little red fish swimming in the water. Two little red fish swimming in the water. Two little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Three little yellow fish. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water. Three little yellow fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Four green fish. Four little green fish swimming in the water. Four little green fish swimming in the water. Four little green fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Five rainbow fish. Five little rainbow fish swimming in the water. Five little rainbow fish swimming in the water. Five little rainbow fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Good job. Look what I have. It's a bunch of fish. I have my fishing pole to catch a fish. Let's turn on the game to see if I can catch a fish. Here we go. Will I catch a fish? Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I got a fish. What color is my fish? Yes, it's pink. I have one pink fish. Do you think I can catch another fish? Let's see if I can catch another fish. Here we go. Here, fishy, fishy. Oh, I got another fish. What color is this fish? Yes, this is a red fish. I got a pink fish and a red fish. I caught two fish. Let's see if I can catch one more fish. Here we go. Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Open your mouth, little fishy. I got another fish. What color is this fish, friends? Yes, this is a purple fish. So I got a pink fish, a red fish, and a purple fish. How many fish did I catch? Yes, I caught 3 fish. Do you think I can catch one more? Let's try to catch one more fish. Here we go. Here, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy. Boop. Here, fishy, fishy. Look, it's a blue fish. Can you see the blue fish? Blue fish. So I've caught a pink fish, a red fish, a purple fish, and a blue fish. How many fish have I caught? Yes, I caught 4 fish. Levi, look at all of our fish. Let's catch the fish and put them in our buckets. How many buckets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5. Do you want to catch a fish? Here, fishy, fishy. Here. Did you catch a fish? We have one red fish, and a blue fish. Thank you. Let's put them in our bucket. Let's catch a fish. Here we go. Red, yes. Red fish in the red bucket. Here, catch another fish. Let's catch. Here, catch this fish. What color is this fish? Green. We got a green fish. Let's put it in our green bucket. Levi got a yellow fish and a red fish. Let's catch another fish. Here, Levi. Levi, look. What color is this fish? It's a yellow fish. Yellow fish. Do you want to put the yellow fish in the bucket? Here, put it in the bucket. Put your yellow fish in. Yes. Good boy. Let's catch another fish. Do you want to do it? Here, sit down. Let's catch another fish. Here, fishies. Here, catch a fish. Here, fishies. Levi, you got a green fish. Let's put it in the green bucket. Put it in. Good job. Do you want to catch another fish? Here, fishies. Catch a fish. It's a yellow fish. Put it in the yellow bucket. Yay! Let's catch another fish. Here, fishies. Let's catch these fish. Did you get it? Look! You got a blue fish. Oh, you want to put your yellow in the yellow bucket. Blue, yes. Let's put it in the blue bucket. Blue fish. Let's catch another fish. Here we go. Blue fish. Oh, he fell out. Blue fish and red fish. What about this fish? Do you want to catch it? Oh, he's on your fishing pole. It's a red fish. Here we go. What about, what? Look. What's this? Purple fish. Can you put the purple fish in the purple bucket, Levi? Put your purple fish in. You gonna hold the bucket? Purple fish. We have one fish left. What color is this fish? Blue. It's a blue fish. Put it in the blue bucket. Good job. Yay. Yay. Let's count each fish. How many fish are in the purple bucket? One purple fish. How many fish are in our green bucket? 1, 2. There are 2 green fish. Let's count our blue fish. 1, 2, 3. 3 blue fish. Let's count our yellow fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 yellow fish. Do you want to count our last bucket? It's our red fish. Let's put the yellow fish back in the bucket. How many red fish are in our bucket, Levi? Our red fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 red fish. Yay! The fish. Thank you. Let's count to 3 and say open and see what is inside. 1, 2, 3, open. Wow, it's an orange fish. Hello, orange fish. Look at our orange fish. Can you wave to the orange fish? Hello, orange fish. Wave hello to the orange fish. Hi, orange fish. Can you pretend to be like a fish and swim around the ocean? Make a fish face and swim. Swimming like a fish is so much fun. Let's sing a song about a little fish who nibbles on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw him back again. Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right.